So we just looked at repeat loops, and you see here, you say repeat, you put the number that you want of the number of times you want to repeat a behavior, and then inside the brackets you put the behavior you wanted. In this case, go forward for a while, then turn right, and do that 4 times, you make a square. Fine. Another way to do this is to use a while loop, and while is going to have some different applications, but in this case we can do almost the exact same thing. We're going to say while 1 double equal 1. And the way while works is that in the brackets is the behavior you want to do. It will continue to do this behavior as long as this condition is true. Whatever is inside the parentheses is the condition. As long as the condition is true, it will stay inside these brackets and repeat them, repeat them, repeat them again. Well, in this case, this is called an infinite loop. 1 always is equal to 1, and therefore it will do this behavior, which is to drive forward for 100 millimeters and then turn 90 degrees. It's going to do this again and again and again forever. So basically keep making squares. You're going to run out of batteries before it stops. So that's how while works. It's going to be while the condition is true, stay inside the brackets. By the way, we can change this to just the word true. Same thing. Going to do this forever. That's pretty much it. A little bit different. We have some other applications for while that we'll get to soon.